What's going on YouTube? For Jussbuss Entertainment, it's Andrew Jackson. Originally released in 1989 as the Nike Air Trainer SC, this shoe was designed by Nike's classic shoe designer Tinker Hatfield for Bo Jackson. The only athlete to be named All-Star in two major American sports, Bo Jackson has been named the greatest athlete of all time by ESPN, a title many will agree with to this day. Jackson's domination of professional football and baseball, paired with his work ethic and athleticism, made him the face of Nike training and the popular Bo Knows campaign of 1989 and 1990. Bo Jackson famously wore the Nike Air Trainer SC, or the Nike Air Trainer 3, in the medicine ball colorway in the Bo Knows advertising campaign of the late 80s, the brainchild of the Wyden and Kennedy advertising agency. The Nike Air Trainer 3 made an appearance in Spike Lee's classic 1989 film, Do the Right Thing, giving it a classic spot in pop culture. The Nike Air Trainer 3 was featured in the beginning of the film when the character Mookie, played by Lee, leaves his sister's house to pick up a pizza from Sal's famous pizzeria. The shoe also makes appearances in other pivotal scenes, such as when Mookie gets a garbage can to kick off the riot for Radio Raheem, and later with his face-off with the boss man at the end of the movie. But that's enough spoilers for now. The naming conventions of these Nikes have been the cause of some confusion, as the original name for this shoe in 1989 was a Nike Air Trainer SC. However, it's often confused with the Nike Air Trainer SC3, more commonly known as the Nike Air Trainer SC High. Some visible differences that exist are the perforations on the toe box and on the sides. The 2015 perforations are larger and more spread out. The difference in the color brown is attributed to the aging of the shoe. Let's take a look at the colorways of this shoe over the years. Here we have the original colorways designed in 1988 and released in 1989. In 2002, Nike dropped the Nike Air Trainer 3B Viotech colorway. In 2003, there was a limited release in Europe of this Mardi Gras colorway, this Auburn colorway, and this unknown colorway that sports this red tick. 2005 saw the release of the Sertig pack. 2007 brought the Transformers colorway. In 2008, Nike continues to release limited edition colorways for Europe. In 2014, inspired by Bo Jackson's horse racing jockey jersey, Nike released this colorway. We also saw the monotone pale shale colorway that was released with sibling pairs of the Nike Air Trainer 1 and the Nike Air Trainer 2. We also saw this camo colorway. In 2015, we saw this size question exclusive that was released with sibling pairs of the Nike Air Trainer Huarache and the Nike Air Trainer SC2. We also saw the University Red colorway. I've identified two versions of the Jade Stone colorway, this Hangqing China exclusive, the Knicks colorway, the white and gum colorway, the black and gum colorway, the infrared colorway, the Super Bowl colorway, and the wolf gray colorway. And we've already done a review and a closer look of that, so make sure to check out that video. These shoes feature a monotone gray suede base, a matching plastic cage, and a Velcro strap at the midfoot. Let's take a look at these on feet. That's been it for the history of this shoe. Hit that subscribe button for more videos.